Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Atika Javed and my roll number is 023. Today my presentation topic is roots. Now we discuss about different contents of roots. Roots क्या होते हैं, इसके general characteristics क्या हैं, types of roots, regions of roots, growth of roots, tissues of roots and functions of roots. Now first, what are roots? Roots क्या हैं? Roots are part of plants that develop typically from the radicle and grows downward into the soil. प्लांट का ऐसा पार्ट जो जमीन में डाउनवर्ड ग्रो करता है, typically from the radicle, are called roots. The primary functions of roots are anchorage of plants, absorption of water and dissolved minerals. Now general characteristics of roots. Roots are non-green part of plants. They do not bear buds, nodes and internodes. Buds is just present for the vegetative propagation in sweet potato. Roots have unicellular root hairs. Now types of roots. Roots की two types हैं. There are two types of roots. First is taproot and the other is adventitious roots. Now first taproot. These are plants with typically one central large root and the other smaller roots. Central roots large होती है और इसके साथ बहुत सी छोटी छोटी roots लगी होती हैं. इन्हें हम taproots कहते हैं. For example, carrots and turnips are example of taproots. Next one is adventitious roots. In some plants, after some time of growth of the taproots, other roots develop from the other part of plants which are branched or unbranched. Sometime ऐसा होता है कि टैप रूट्स की ग्रोथ के बाद कुछ अदर न्यू रूट्स डिवेल्प करती हैं फ्रॉम द अदर पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट्स जो कि ब्रांच्ड भी होती हैं और अनब्रांच्ड भी. इन्हें हम एडवेंटिशियस रूट्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मोनोकोट रूट्स. Next we discuss about regions of roots. Roots are consist of four major zones: root cap, meristematic zone, zone of cell elongation and maturation. First we discuss about root cap. Root cap is a cap-like structure. ये cap की तरह का structure होता है, which is made up of thin-walled cells, which covers root apex. It is made up of dead cells and protects young growing cells of apical region. The second zone is the maturation zone, meristematic zone. ये zone root cap के ऊपर present होता है. It is present just above the root cap. It is made up of compactly arranged, small thin-walled, isodiametric and meristematic cell having dense protoplasm and nucleus. Now third zone is the zone of cell elongation. The region of cell elongation is present above the meristematic zone. ये zone meristematic zone के ऊपर present होता है, resulting in increase in length of the roots. Last zone is the maturation zone. Maturation zone is present above the zone of cell elongation. ये zone cell elongation के ऊपर present होता है. Secondary growth basically इसी में take place करती है. इसका important function है anchor the plant firmly in the soil. Now we discuss about growth of roots. Roots growth depend on the activity of root apical meristums, which is located just behind root cap at the tip of roots and provides a source of new cells for extension and elongation of roots. Now tissues of roots. Root tissues can be regarded as a series concentric rings of the different tissues. Now there are some important functions of roots. Roots morphology is highly variable. Roots perform various functions that necessary for the survival of plants. They are an integral or integrated system that help plant anchoring. Roots are the part of plants that remain attached to the ground. They support plant body ensuring that it stands erect. Roots plant का ऐसा part है जो इसे जमीन में सीधा खड़ा रखता है और इसे ग्राउंड के साथ अटैच रखता है. Next function is absorption. रूट वाटर एब्जॉर्ब करता है एंड डिसॉल्व मिनरल्स फ्रॉम द सोइल और ये फोटोसिंथेसिस में भी हेल्पफुल होता है. दिस इज क्रूशियल एज इट हेल्प इन द फोटोसिंथेसिस. नेक्स्ट स्टोरेज. प्लांट फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं, फूड प्लांट प्रिपेयर करते हैं और इसे स्टार्च के फॉर्म में स्टोर कर लेते हैं इन लीव्स एंड शूट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल कैरेट्स एंड रेडिश, बीटरूट. नेक्स्ट रिप्रोडक्शन. Even though roots are not the reproductive part of plants, they are vegetative plants. In some plants, roots are main of the reproduction. For instance, new plants arises from creeping horizontal system. Next, there are some ecological functions of roots. They check soil erosion, provide substances and also habitat to various organisms. ये बहुत से organisms के लिए habitat भी provide करता है. Next, the importance of root system in horticulture. Horticulture में भी root का function है, importance है. Vegetable seedlings and fruit tree are transplanted. Successful transplanting and depends on a vigorous and healthy root system. Many horticulture products are root primarily vegetables.